It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, smartphone wireless charging, power telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks, "Consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package." Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Visit us online at tafelmotors.com. Call or stop in at 4156 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. A memorable experience awaits.